Welcome everyone. Today we're gonna talk about tracking. Tracking is one of the most important parts of your work when you need to put graphics to a video. And sometimes it may take a lot of time, especially when your footage is too long or has a poor quality. But you have to be patient to get good results. Now we're gonna do 3D tracking in After Effects using 3D Camera Tracker tool. And in the next part I'll show you how to track objects in Cinema 4D. Okay, let's start. First we're going to make a composition. I always use 24 frames per second. It helps to create a movie style effect and it's a lot less work to do compared to the footage with 50 or 60 frames per second. I've been making videos for Instagram lately, so I use vertical orientation. We're putting video on a timeline and then we're gonna trim it with Command or Control and Shift and D wherever it's needed. My graphics are gonna start from the middle of this video and last till the end. So, I pre-composed this part of the video. And let's turn on Move All Attributes into the new composition. And make sure your new composition is at 24 frames per second. So I used a phone in this video, so we'll be tracking its moves and not the cameras. We need the algorithm to track just the phone and the whole frame, so we need to make a mask and animate it a bit. So we're adding a gray solid. Now we're gonna bring down its opacity and draw a mask around the object with a pen tool. Press M on a keyboard and put our first keyframe. Now move a few frames or a second forward and change the position of our mask. Now do the same thing till the end. Now when we're done, we're gonna put our mask in the invert mode. Press F and increase feather to smooth the edges. Now we come back to our main composition and apply 3D Camera Tracker to the new composition. And wait. Woohoo! Our tracking is done. Now you can delete the gray solid, by the way. Now we have lots of dots here and we can see a disk when you move the cursor between them. Let's find the best placement. Right click and add a new solid with a camera. Now our solid is parented to the phone, but you can see it's rotated slightly off the perspective. So I recommend to watch this video and correct the rotation. I often apply grid effect on this stage and it helps to check the solid's position. Everything is alright now, I guess. So we're done with this one and it came out okay. The main function of tracking is to make the camera and the solid perfectly attached to the object in your video.